how to enable or disable notifications on app icons on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on home screen. After that, after we scroll down and then tap on app icon badges. Now make sure you turn on app icon badges, and then we go down and tap on notifications on app icons. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So what this feature does is that if you touch and hold on your app icons, and if you have notifications, it will show your notifications in here with a small or brief detail. And here, if I switch it off, so now I turn off notifications on app icons. And if I touch and hold on the app icon, it will not show me notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.